Hello everyone, this is Blalmar and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to show you how to use Lottie files in Android Studio. Lottie files can simplify your animations. Uh, you can download and use any Lottie files animation as a JSON. So first we will go at Lottie files and search for any animation. Let's say I want to show animation of data syncing. I will search here data sync and find any animation. I have many animations. Let's say I want to use this animation. Uh, I have Lottie files free account and I can add only 10 animations. So if I want to use this animation, I have to save it to workplace. It is saving to my workplace, and once it's saved, it will open another tab showing my workplace. So in the meantime, uh, we can download it in a Lottie.json. But first we need to go ahead and create an Android Studio project. So I have opened an Android Studio here. We will create a new project and we can use in simple empty activity test project, and we can leave the settings as it is. Now we need to add the Gradle dependency of Lottie files. So we can get to GitHub page of Lottie files. We can search Lottie GitHub and open the first tab Airbnb / Lottie Android, and we need to find the dependency here, and we can after importing this library or dependency in Android Studio, we can use Lottie files. So our project is building up. So once our project has finished building up, we can go ahead and open Gradle scripts and build out Gradle module app level, and we need to add the dependency here. So let's go ahead and copy the dependency from here and paste it right here. Okay, the latest version of Lottie files is 6.3.0. It is written here. We can simply use that version 6.3.0 and sync the Gradle files. Okay, it has finished building up and syncing. Now we can add the Lottie view in our activity main. In whichever activity we want, we just testing for main activity. When we write here Lottie animation view, the IntelliSense should show it. We can set the width as wrap, or we can also set any width or height we want. So before using Lottie animation view, we need to create another Android resource directory inside the resource directory here. The directory name will be raw. This directory will actually hold our animation files, JSON animation files. So getting back to the animation view, you can download the Lottie JSON from here. We can rename the animation file to any one or whatever we want. It's just I'm trying to cut down the animation. We can copy this file and paste it inside the Android Studio, inside the raw folder. Okay, our file is pasted. Now we can use this animation file as raw Lottie raw resource at the rate /animation1, and we can see here the animation has shown up. Okay, what we need to do, we need to set and some other parameters as well, which are autoplay, true, which will automatically play the animation on activity start, and we need to also set the loop parameter. Loop property will loop the animation once it is finished. We can change this constraint view to any other layer type like linear layout. Okay, the animation is on our full screen. We can set its dp to 200 by 200, just so that it shows at one portion or one corner of the screen. Okay, now that's set, we can go ahead and run this application on our emulator or any connected device. So it will build the project. Okay, we need to change little parameter in the builder Gradle. The minimum compile SDK is 34. It is showing us an error, so we need to change the target SDK and compile SDK to 34 and sync the project again. So upon changing and clean syncing the project again, we should be able to run the application on our emulator. So the Gradle has finished syncing up. Let's try and run the project again. Okay, the application installed on our emulator. Let's open our emulator, and we can see here the animation is working. So in the next video, we will also take a look at how we can use it in custom dialogues to show user progress about something. Let's suppose we are downloading something from our servers, or using REST APIs to download some data or upload some data. So that's it.